Have you ever wanted a fluffy, moist cake with that intense orange flavor, but without wheat flour and milk? Then stay with me, because today on Healthy You, I'm going to teach you the easiest and most delicious cake you've ever made. It's made in the blender, perfect to enjoy with your afternoon coffee, and it even comes with a special tip for an irresistible crispy crust. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe to the channel now, because here you'll only find simple, tested recipes that work on the first try, so you never waste time on recipes that don't work. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the pan with a trick that skips syrup but gives the cake that special touch. Grease the pan. It can be rectangular, square, or bun style with butter, margarine, or non-stick spray, all won't work. Mix 3 tablespoons of sugar with a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and spread it all over the pan, including the sides. This will create a crispy crust that transforms the cake. If there's any mixture left, save it in a small container to use in other recipes. Now preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is very important to ensure the cake rises and stays fluffy. While the oven heats, let's prepare the oranges. Take 3 medium oranges, one with peel and two without. Choose the one with the nicest peel to use whole. Cut off the ends, remove only the central white core and all seeds, because they can make the cake bitter. Cut it into 4 pieces. For the other 2, remove all the peel and white parts, cut into quarters, and also remove seeds and white core. In the blender, add the 3 prepared oranges, 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and 1½ cups of sugar. Blend for about 2 minutes until you get a smooth cream with no chunks. This step is essential so the orange peel is well ground, giving the cake all the citrus flavor without bitterness. Now add 1 cup of fine cornmeal and blend for about 10 seconds. Next, add 1 cup of cornstarch and a tablespoon of baking powder. Blend for another 10 seconds, just to combine. Avoid over-blending after adding the cornstarch and baking powder so you don't alter the texture of the batter. Finish by mixing with a spatula to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared pan with the sugar and cinnamon mixture and bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. The exact time will depend on your oven, so here's a tip. After 30 minutes, do the toothpick test. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Look at this cuteness. The batter is soft, moist, and has a beautiful yellow color. And the best part, even though it has cornmeal, the predominant flavor is orange, and the crispy crust gives an amazing contrast. It's the kind of cake that never lasts until the next day. If this video helped you, check out the material I left in the description. It can help you lose weight without giving up flavor, with simple and delicious recipes transforming your kitchen routine and helping you reach your goals faster than you think. If you enjoyed this recipe, leave a like and subscribe to Healthy You to get easy and delicious recipes every week.